Welcome to Consumer Pick. The best pool cushions is probably one of the most overlooked yet essential elements for transforming your outdoor space into a luxurious oasis, offering unparalleled comfort and style that can elevate any poolside lounge chair or patio furniture, making those long summer days by the water even more enjoyable and relaxing for you and your guests. Number 5. 3-in-1 Inflatable Baby Pool Bathtub Ball Pit. Discover the ultimate versatile solution for your toddler's playtime. This innovative product transforms from a refreshing baby pool to a cozy bathtub, and even a fun ball pit. Designed with your child's safety in mind, it features patented grip handles. These provide little ones with something secure to hold onto as they play, practice balance, or sit upright. Enjoy a soft, padded base that ensures maximum comfort during bath or playtime. Plus, its built-in drain makes water removal quick and effortless, simplifying your routine. Its clever square shape offers more room for your child to play comfortably, unlike traditional round pools. This design also fits perfectly into standard 36-inch shower stalls, making it ideal for smaller homes or apartments. Crafted from thick, durable, and baby-safe materials, this product is built for everyday use, both indoors and outdoors. When not used for water, it easily converts into a contained play zone. Setting it up takes just minutes, and it folds down flat for easy storage and transport. This makes it perfect for travel, visits to grandma's, or simply saving space in your home. Looking for a thoughtful present? This practical, fun, and space-saving item is a gift that parents will truly use every day. It's ideal for first birthdays, baby showers, or new parents in compact living spaces. What we like? This versatile inflatable pool is perfect for little ones. Its built-in grip handles and soft padded floor ensure safety and comfort for toddlers. If you are looking for a compact, multifunctional solution for bathing, playing, or a ball pit, this is an excellent choice for small spaces or travel. What people say. Number 4. Ballast Beach Pillow, Island Paradise. Tired of your beach pillow flying away? This innovative design ensures it stays exactly where you want it, even on the windiest days. You can finally relax without interruption. Experience luxurious comfort with its soft, weather-resistant fabric. It wicks away water and sheds sand effortlessly, feeling amazing against your skin. Enjoy an extra layer of softness and support. Its plush, padded top cradles your head for ultimate relaxation wherever you are. Designed to perfectly cradle your neck and head, it provides ergonomic support. This ensures maximum comfort, allowing you to unwind completely. When you're done relaxing, it packs neatly into its own compact carrying case. This makes it incredibly easy to transport for all your adventures. What we like? Next up, we have a pillow designed for ultimate relaxation outdoors. Its patented sand pouch ensures it stays put, even on windy days. What people say. Number 3. Comfort Classic Sunbrella Channel Chaise Cushion Set. Give your patio furniture a fresh new look. This set of 2 cushions brings comfort and style back to your outdoor living area. These are channeled, reversible chaise cushions, designed for both aesthetics and functionality. Their waterfall edge construction adds a touch of elegance. Crafted by Comfort Classics Incorporated, a brand with over 50 years of experience, these cushions are made with quality in mind. Customer satisfaction is their top priority. Made with Sunbrella fabric, they are incredibly durable for outdoor use. This material includes UV inhibitors, protecting them from sun damage. These cushions resist stains and fading, even in direct sunlight. Plus, with quick dry comfort technology, they dry rapidly after rain or spills. Keeping them clean is simple. Just use a mild soap and warm water to maintain their pristine condition season after season. What we like? For your outdoor furniture, this cushion set offers premium durability. Made with Sunbrella fabric, it resists fading and stains while featuring quick dry comfort technology. If you need long-lasting, low-maintenance cushions that dry rapidly after a splash, these are an ideal upgrade for your patio. What people say. Number 2. Lutron Caseta Deluxe Smart Dimmer Kit PBDG PKG2WA. This smart hub operates independently of Wi-Fi, ensuring ultra-fast and dependable performance. It offers a level of reliability that goes beyond typical smart switches for your lighting needs. You can add a new control point in under 15 minutes. Simply replace your current light switch with this dimmer, then mount its remote wherever you need light control. Its smart hub ensures a consistently stable connection, operating without Wi-Fi. This provides ultra-fast performance for all your smart lighting. Manage your lighting from anywhere using its dedicated app. You can set scenes, schedules, and even use geofencing for complete home automation. This dimmer switch boasts a sleek, modern design. It blends perfectly with your existing light switches, offering a premium smart lighting experience. It integrates seamlessly with major smart home platforms like Alexa, Apple HomeKit, and Google Home. This makes it one of the most versatile smart switches on the market. Experience superior, flicker-free dimming for your LED lights, even at low levels. Its advanced technology ensures smooth performance and broad compatibility with various LED types. What we like? This smart dimmer switch kit brings reliable automation to your home lighting. It works without Wi-Fi for ultra-fast performance and is incredibly easy to install, even adding a new switch location in minutes. If you are looking for a dependable smart lighting solution that integrates seamlessly with major smart home platforms, this kit offers superior control and dimming. What people say. Number 1. CUSHIONAIRE Feather EVA Slides. Experience unparalleled comfort with these innovative slides. They are designed to provide a soft, cloud-like feel with every step you take. Enjoy the convenience of an easy slip-on design. You can quickly put them on and take them off, perfect for your busy lifestyle. These slides are incredibly versatile, suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. You can even wear them as shower shoes, making them truly multifunctional. Make them your go-to for beach days or simply relaxing at home. Their lightweight design makes them feel like walking on clouds. Crafted from Featherlight EVA material, they offer exceptional cushioning. This ensures lasting comfort throughout your day. What we like? Finally, these slides are all about comfort and versatility. Crafted from lightweight feather EVA material, they offer a soft, cushioned feel with every step. If you're seeking comfortable, slip-on footwear that transitions effortlessly from indoor lounging to outdoor activities like the beach or shower, these are a fantastic choice. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON, so no points could be extracted. Please provide product reviews to extract points from. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.